Good morning to one and all. Our project title is Analysis of Traffic Noise Pollution using this myself is Nambi Maharajan and our project members are Aravind and Surendra. Our guidance is Mr. Karthik Hari, Assistant Professor. Ability to develop the road traffic noise pollution model of busy corridors of Chennai. To develop the application of this is creating noise map, different noise level in the study area. Noise is an unwanted sound. Noise can be produced from any source, an vocal cord and running engine, loudspeaker and operating machine pool. Frequency loudness. The response of human ear depends on frequency of the sound. The human ear has peak 2500 to 3000 ohms. Need for study. The need for studies. The avoid effects of noise pollution, hearing problem, health issue, cardiovascular issue, trouble in communicating. Literature review, road traffic, noise mapping song, novel, and development. Singmai Louis, Singmai Lee 2009. Development of a road traffic noise prediction model. R.T. Surya Acharya and D.U.A. Ranantrad 2006. Analysis of daytime traffic noise pollution. Aniruddha Chaudhary, Anupam Debaskar 2012. Analysis of noise pollution in Tripur city. Kirtana Gopinath, Nirima Shinsavi Chitravel Saranya S. Kannan 2013. Noise modeling and optimizing quantity, accuracy and efficiency of noise studies 2000. Noise level at different locations, permitted noise level, industrial area, commercial area, residential area and silence on daytime and nighttime visible. Noise level at different vehicles, captive vehicle, motorcycle, scooter, passenger and commercial vehicle. Noise limits in visible. Methodology, temperature review, field survey, identification of location, connection of area, noise level, traffic noise meter function, noise level, develop noise model using this mapping combination. Noise mapping. Noise mapping is a various form can be derived for different period of the day or night and by using different noise. Noise map provides partial presentation of situation. Noise map build this can be used for analysis and management process. This is a sound meter. We using this meter. At T Nagar area, the noise level recorded T Nagar area. It is in Usman Road. The noise level observed in 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Noise level at T Nagar. The time was 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. That ground floor edge 5 meter, 10 meter and 15 feet. Taken date in 23/1/2015. Noise level T Nagar in first floor. The time was 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter. In this reading, this is a noise graph of T Nagar ground floor and T Nagar first floor. This is a map of noise mapping in T Nagar and intersection of Gindi. The noise level recorded Gindi Katipara junction is presented in figure and it's a ground floor 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. The level noise level at Gindi ground floor, time wise edge 5 meter, 10 meter and 15 meter, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then first floor, the time wise 5 meter, 10 meter and 15 meter. The reading will be different ground floor and first floor. This is a graph of Gindi Katipara junction. First is ground floor and this is first floor. And then noise level is Gindi. Noise map. This is a noise map. The red color is a high noise level. The color changes, it will be reducing. The blocking is building. And then Paris corner, we taking the reading in NSC Boso. And then ground floor, time wise edge 5 meter, 10 meter and 15 meter. Date 2/2/2015. So Paris corner noise level in first floor, time is 3 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter. It's a graph of Paris corner, ground floor edge, 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter. It will be differ on the first floor, no edge. 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter. That's all. And then Paris corner map. This is a nice map of Paris corner. And then another a nice level at location is present in the figure. This recorded by ground floor, first floor respectively. A nice level are observed as 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. A nice level at time wise edge 5 meter, 10 meter and 15 meters in the ground floor. The date is 9 to 2015. And then also nice level of is a time wise 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter in first floor. This is a graph of nice map, nice level. This is the nice map in Adayaru. And then Velachery, we take the reading in Velachery main road. That's the time wise edge 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter. We taking the reading date in 14 to 2015. And then first floor is 15 to 2015. So time wise. And then 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter. Other nice level at Velachery ground floor and first floor graph. This Porur area, a nice level recorded by Porur junction, ground floor, first floor, 6 meter and 9 meter, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. We are taking the reading in Purnamali High Road. The noise level of Porur date to 24 to 2015. It's a ground floor, and then first floor is 5 meter, 10 meter and 15 meter. We take the reading in 25 to 2015. The Porur graph of ground floor and first floor. The noise map of Porur. And then another round is presented ground floor, first floor respectively 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. And another edge 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter. We take the reading in 4/3/2015. And then first floor 5/3/2015. This is a graph of Annanagar ground floor and first floor. It's Annanagar nice map. Geography. Ground control point is a point XY coordinate fixed location and terrain, and then GCP records partially reference a map the respective ground. This base map is further proceeds spatial variation and parameter to access traffic noise collision in Chennai. The procedure for base map are this maintained below. Step 1, create a layer of topography and data add topography layer, and then above the topography GCP points are located in GCS measurement. Link table the GCP are shown. Open or catalog are created with the polygon attribute. Add the shape file to the layer. This is a screenshot of this software. The loading shape file to the map document coordinates. And then GA shows the assignment of coordinate system of the domain. And then GA represents the projection parameter around the area and zone. And then GA represents final output of the rather data from which you can conclusion about the parameter variation of particular data with corresponding question. Conclusion in this project is of the traffic noise level and traffic noise is sound pollution urban area. Near Velachery or Annanagar area considered is placed in Chennai. Primary emphasis in order to prevent this kind of issues and face mankind sound noise with high decibel should be avoided. Unnecessary area should be alerted by the level of noise produced by the horns range 65 to 70 decibel. Reference Anderson MD Craig and then Bowman and Department of Environmental and Environmental Center 1997 and 97 is based environmental decision. That's all. Thank you.